Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to our mathematics class. My dear students, we have started chapter number 9, that is fractions part 2. Right? In the last session, we have learned how to find out the fraction of a number. Do you remember? Yes, very good. Have you solved your homework? Please send me the photographs of your homework. Okay? Understood? Right. So now, in today's class, we are going to start to learn some word problem. Okay, my dear students? Yes. Chapter number 9, fractions, part 2, concept 9.1, fraction of a number. So here, can you see this example number 1? Yes. It shows word problem, right? So are you ready? Open your notebook and write down this example number 1. I will read. You also have to solve with me in your notebook. What is example number 1? Ravi has rupees 120 with him. One boy, Ravi, has rupees 120. What is rupees, my dear students? Yes, very good. Rupees is what? Our currency of India. What is rupees? Currency of India. Ravi, one boy, has rupees 120 with him. He gave 2/3 of it to his sister. How much, my dear students? 2/3. 2/3 of it to his sister. Then what is the question? How much money is left with Ravi? How much money is left with Ravi? My dear students, I hope you cooperate me for this new way of teaching. I am taking this session on the paper. Please cooperate me. Right? Okay. So, now as it is a word problem. So, in the word problem, first what we did? We have to mention what they have given in the question. So, two things they have given in the question. The first thing is amount with Ravi, and the second thing is how much amount he gave to his sister. So that things we have to mention. So first mention with me amount Ravi has is equal to, Ravi has how much amount? Rupees 120. Yes, very good. Next, what is the second thing they have given? Amount Ravi gave to whom? Gave to his sister is equal to. How much amount he gave to his sister? 2/3. 2/3 of it. 2/3 of it. It means what? Rupees 120. So now we will solve. 2/3 of rupees 120. So how can we will solve? Yes, we have to simply find by using the multiplication. Yes, as I have discussed in the last session, there will be two methods to solve such kind of example. Either you can do first multiplication, then you can divide, or you can directly divide. Okay, so what we will do? 2 multiply by rupees 120 divided by 3. Now, 2 multiply by, start a table of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. 4 times 3 is nothing but 12. Right? So we will put 4 as it is and 0 as it is. Right? So 2 multiplied by 40 is equal to rupees 80. My dear students, shall I show you one more shortcut trick to solve? I will show by using pencil. See, whenever you are having such types of example, you can do directly over here. 2 by 3 multiply by 120. So you can start table of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. This put 0 as it is. So 2 multiply by 40 is nothing but 80. Same answer. Correct? So this is a shortcut trick. You can do like this also. So what we get here? We get amount Ravi gave to his sister. How much amount? Rupees 80. But my dear students, what is the question? The question is, how much money is left with Ravi? First of all, the amount with Ravi has 120. From that 120, he gave to his sister is rupees 80. So what we have to do? Now we have to do the difference. So we will write it down. Difference in the amounts is equal to rupees. First, Ravi has how many amount? How much amount? Rupees 120. From that, he gave rupees 80 to his sister. So now how much amount is left with Ravi? 120 minus 80. Answer became 40. Clear? So as it is a word problem, so we can mention the answer in the word like. Therefore, rupees 40 is left with whom? Left with his sister? No. Left with Ravi. Understood? Understood how to solve a word problem? Yes? Very good, my dear student. So you have to write it down like this way only in your notebook. Clear? Okay. Now, my dear students, we will solve one more word problem. Are you ready? Yes. So see, second number word problem. First we will read and then we will solve. Venu paints 3/6 of a cardboard and Raj paints 1/3 of it. Here we have two students. First is Venu, another is Raj. Venu paints how much part? 3/6. And Raj paints 1/3 of it. If the cardboard has an area of 144 square centimeter, then can you tell what area of the cardboard did each of them paint? Clear? They have given the area of the cardboard. What is the area of cardboard? 144 square centimeter. From that, Venu paints how much area? 3/6 and Raj paints 1/3. So the question is, what area of the cardboard did each of the paint? Understood? So shall we start? Very good, as it is a word problem. So we will mention first what they have given. What they have given? Yes, fraction of the cardboard, fraction of the cardboard painted by whom? First, painted by Venu, right? Painted by Venu is equal to How much, my dear students? Very good. 3/6. As they have mentioned over here, 3/6. Then, what is the second thing? Second one is Raj. Fraction of the cardboard painted by Raj. Raj painted how much area? 1/3 of it. Correct? Also they have given one more thing, that is area of the cardboard. What is the area of a cardboard? Is equal to 144 square centimeter. These three things they have given, they have mentioned. Now, what we have to find out? We have to find out area of the cardboard painted by Venu and painted by Raj. So, shall we do it? Shall we start? Yes. We will write it down. Area of the cardboard painted by is equal to how much area? 3/6 of, what is the area of cardboard? Area of cardboard is 144, right? So 144 square centimeter. So now you can do the multiplication and division, right? So we will 144 multiply by 3 divided by 6 square centimeter. So now tell me, you can do first multiplication, then division. Alright, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Shall I do? Yes, I will show with the pencil. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Right? Now you can divide to number 144 by 2. Square centimeter. And 144 divided by 2 is nothing but, if you want, you can do the division. Like this method, 144 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Very good. Like that, 2 7s are 14. We will put 4 as it is. 2 2s are 4. So what is the question? Question is 72. So how much area of the cardboard painted by Venu is 72 square centimeter. Clear? So this is the answer of area of the cardboard painted by Venu. Now the second thing. Who is the second? Second boy named Raj. So we have to find out the area of the cardboard painted by Raj is equal to, Raj painted how much? Raj paints 1/3 of it. So 1/3 multiplied by area is 144 square centimeter. So do the division. 144 divided by 3. Correct? 144 divided by 3 is nothing but 48 square centimeter. As it is a word problem, so my dear students, we have to write the answer in the word. Like Venu painted 72 square centimeter and Raj painted 48 square centimeter of the cardboard. Understood, my dear student? So this is about how to solve word problem. Also we have some more word problem in our textbook. So my dear students, I kindly request just go through with that example. Okay? So my dear students, today we will stop over here. Here we have finished concept 9.1. After the watching the session, you just try to solve the workbook on your own. I will send the PDF file shortly, right? The next concept, that is concept 9.2, we will start in the next session. Till the time, thank you.